Argos as a business is a multi-channel retailer. We have currently 730 stores in our estate and we are still opening 20 stores a year at the moment.
The reason why we looked at Voice is we were looking to move away from our pay-per-pick operation. And Voice had just come into the market, very new technology, and so we looked to explore that at the same time. One of the main reasons for choosing Voice is that our operation didn't really fit with barcodes, and Voice seemed to suit us because of our unique CAT number operation.
The Voxware system is absolutely critical to us now as a business and as a distribution operation to deliver the benefits that we expect from our distribution centres and our operations, the productivity, the accuracy. One of the main benefits as well from the Voxware application particularly was the reduced effort in training individuals in picking, whereas with the paper operations we had previously, it was a day to 2 days in terms of training and getting the guys out on the floor and going through the paperwork. Voxware lends itself to reducing that time dramatically to 1 to 2 hours.
But the real key differentiator has actually been in quality. Voxware has cut our pick accuracy error rate down from over 1% to less than 0.3 of 1% out there, and that's one of the key things, which means the level of rework we have to do as a business is significantly lower than it was 4 or 5 years ago before we had Voice in the business. Accuracy is absolutely vital to Argos. Our business model relies on having very low levels of stock for a lot of our merchandising stores. 40% of the stock keeping units we hold, we only have one item of that in a store, and it kind of obviously works in our store model because it's not on general display, but also shows you actually how important stock accuracy is. If I do not pick that one item correctly, when the store goes to go and collect it, it's not there for them to do, so accuracy is absolutely vital to us.
We've had a number of things I think which have evolved from using Voxware. So once we've set Voxware up, we've used it within the operation, we've seen other areas that Voxware could help us improve. One of the main areas I think we've seen is we've virtually reduced our clerical effort within the pick operation down to almost zero.
Check 853, grab 1 confirmed. Check 520, grab 1 confirmed. Check 907, grab 2 confirmed.
Currently using the Voice system at a size within this site would be between 200 and 300 staff off-peak, going up to peak periods between 400 and 500 staff. Over the past couple of years we've looked at cycle count, so that was one of the strong benefits of using Voice. The way that we designed it is the real-time information that we're getting. So as the picker is picking the item, our WMS is updated instantaneously as this person says it. As our reach trucks are putting stock into the pick face, again that's updated. So the next step we felt we wanted to move to was physical inventory. Because again, if we want real time, you want that to be carried on throughout, and that's been in for a couple of years now, very, very successful again.
The Voxware team have really been fantastic over the last few years. We've gone through quite a transition of initially installing the system, getting used to using it in our operations, and it is now a critical application.
I've always found the Voxware team to be very, very helpful. Certainly within the early days there was just myself that was supporting, being up at 2 o'clock in the morning and ringing the Voxware support guys to help me out, and if we had any issues, certainly no issues that I'd experienced during my time.
In summary, over the last 5 years, our investment in Voxware has enabled us to revolutionise the level of pick accuracy that our distribution centres provide to our stores. That in turn has helped us to improve levels of customer satisfaction in our retail outlets because I'm sending the right stock first time.